Hello there traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Director Denard, and in this video I want us to talk about the 20 commandments of trading. Now, some of these rules or commandments, like I like to call them, are what exactly most traders lack in their trading psychology or in their trading discipline. I'm very sure that by the end of this video you will have learned a thing or two. By the end of this video you're going to have a few rules that you could follow yourself, and that may impact your trading career. Stay tuned till the end. Commandment number 9 is my favorite. I do hope that you incorporate these rules or these commandments into your trading regimen. Commandment number 1 of day trading: if you have to look for a setup, it's not there. Yes, usually if you spend more than 5 minutes looking for a setup, it's not there. You're forcing a trade. The best setups are always obvious. The best setups are always looking at you. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you have, but if you have to look for a setup, it's not there. Commandment number 2: trends depend on their time frame. You must always make sure that you're looking at the right time frame and therefore taking advantage of the trend on that particular time frame. What might look as a downtrend on the 15 minutes might be a retracement on an uptrend on the 4 hour. Commandment number 3: price has memory. Usually when price revisits a level or a zone that has revisited before, it's very likely to do exactly what it did when it last revisited that level. Commandment number 4: profit and discomfort stand side by side. Yes, usually the most profitable trades are those trades that make you feel uncomfortable. Ever noticed the last time you lost a lot of money? It was very easy. It wasn't uncomfortable. You just placed a trade, over leveraged, and before you know it, boom, 50% of your account is gone. But when you're going to make money, there's usually that discomfort that comes from those trades or from those setups that usually yield high profits. So next time you feel very at ease, maybe it's time to recheck that trade or that setup. The best trades will make you uncomfortable. Commandment number 5: stand apart from the crowd at all times. Yes, make sure that you get in early, buy early, sell early. Okay, make sure that if they are selling, you're buying. Make sure if they are buying, you're selling. For example, right now this applies to crypto. Right now BTC is at 70,000 US dollars. I bought in at 25k when there was no news, and I'm going to sell early. The moment reaches the point where it's making headlines, CNN is talking about it, it's your grandma knows about Bitcoin, that's when we sell. And that's how the banks do it, that's how the big boys do it, that's how the big boys play the game. You must stand apart from the crowd at all times. Commandment number 6: buy. Now this one is very important. It's a trading strategy, by the way. It's a commandment or a rule, but it's a trading strategy. Buy the first retracement on a new high and sell the first retracement on a new low. So what it means that usually when the market is trending and it tests a new high, it's not going to stop there. It will usually retrace and then continue that new momentum or that new trend. You will notice that every time, or 90% of the times that price reaches a new high and it retraces, it will continue in that direction. Rarely does price reach a new high or a new low and then reverses sharply. Trends don't change abruptly. Commandment number 7. This is a classic one. It might sound cliche, but it does actually work. Buy at support, sell at resistance. Usually when price reaches support or resistance, there are only two things that might happen. Either to bounce off that level or to break that level and do what we call a break of structure or a breakout. So what you have to know is that worst case scenario, you lose one trade, assuming you buy at support and then price breaches that support level. It means that now it's going to take on a new trend or it's going to continue in that direction. You now have the opportunity to place a trade that continues with a new momentum that has been created. So maximum you lose one trade and then you win in the next. Very cliche, but it actually works a lot. Commandment number 8. Short rallies, not sell-offs. So what that means that when you're selling a pair, when you're trading a pair and you're taking short trades, make sure that you actually catch that huge momentum sell. Don't try to sell trends that are not really showing momentum or they don't have volume. You need to, if you're selling, make sure there's volume, there's momentum, there's an actual rally. That's where the money is made. Don't sell simple retracements or don't sell when there's no momentum really. That's the takeaway. Don't sell without momentum. Short an actual rally. Sell an actual trend with huge moves and intense momentum. Commandment number 9. This is my favorite. Manage price as efficiently as you manage time. You need to know how long you're going to hold the trade. You know what they say, that time is money? That if you've ever heard of the saying time is money, that was actually generated in the trading communities. In trading, time is money. How long you're going to hold the trade can make the difference whether you make small profit or a huge profit. How long you hold on to a loss will make the difference whether you take a short, whether you take a small loss or you end up blowing your entire account. How fast you react to a trading setup will make a difference whether you actually get to cut that setup or you're just going to watch and regret why you didn't take action. So in trading, time is money. Make sure that you manage time as efficiently as you manage price. Commandment number 10. Avoid the market open. It just sucks. There's a lot of manipulation during the market open. Just avoid it. It sucks, honestly. Avoid the open. So that's part 1. In part 2, we're going to be exploring the other 10 commandments to make the total 20. Yes, trading has 20 commandments. So make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and watch out for the next part. Peace.